Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning again, brothers and sisters in the hustle of trading. How was you guys trading yesterday? I hope you caught some good pips, and I hope you're seeing value in all these things that we do. We hope this is not being a waste of time. Top-down analysis as usual. If you see me for the first time, I share my trading insights daily as to where I'm looking at, what I'm looking at in regards to price movement. I trade strictly price action using just support and resistance and no complicated stuff, because trading is already difficult enough. So the little we can do, one thing we can do is find an easy way to get around it, you know. So anyway, um I color code my charts. When you see the red is for my daily, green is for the 4 hour, blue is for the lower time frame. This helps me to know exactly where price is at all times. Can this be considered a zone on the 4 hour? Let us see. So guys, the one thing I'm doing here, because I like to avoid complication, I generally don't speak about things I don't use. I don't use. Everything is important in trading, but what is just most important to you is what you use while you're trading. This thing is looking clustered. I'm thinking I might just take out this zone for the 4 hour. So anyway, you might wonder, if you see me for the first time as well, you might wonder why my lines are so short. It's just what I've gotten used to. So the zone can be as long as it is, but I just make the line short because it makes me see clearer, and I focus on the areas where I am trading out on the day. Let's see, on the lower time frame, there's under support right here. Let's bring this down a little bit. Pre-London in a few minutes. I generally like trading the London session, and I think the London session is one of the great times that people in Africa should trade. I think, personal opinion, because of our timing. You can wake up in the morning, walk in the morning, be done if you get volume that morning, and be done for the day. But luckily for us, our time zone is close to that of the United Kingdom. This zone. Okay. We had price trade here. Price came back, broke out of it, and pushed back. Okay, I'm just going to leave this point. I'm going to leave it here and just have my eye on it. So right now, what am I looking at is that we have a clean range here. We have a nice range here. This area, even on the lower time frame, is, let's see, this area, we should also have it. I don't like when the chart is clustered like this, guys. You have no idea. I don't. So anyway, we see that price, this is kind of a zone, so we cannot just ignore it, unfortunately, whether we like our charts crowded or not. Anyway, so right now, price traded down here, formed support, push, tried to break to push down and came all the way down here. It doesn't mean it's selling yet because this is a zone on this side. So what I would like to see is if this candle closes above here, what is the range we have? We have this range, 400 pip range, to this point 600, and to that point 900 pip. So if this candle closes above this zone, I could actually buy to see how far I go. But I'm going to use minimum risk because there's a lot of areas for price to reject. What I would actually prefer is if price closes in this zone, the candle opens and at least comes back and takes an order from around this point. That is, if this candle closes bullish. If it closes above these two candles, I would like the next candle to at least come down a little bit so that we can take an entry from here to push up. But however, if it just closes and it doesn't, the next candle taking out, you can take a buy and to see how far it goes. But I would really like to price to come and form on that support here, just for us to have a better and cleaner range. However, if price pushes down and closes below this zone, this is a very good range to sell. Why? Because we have a clean range on the side. Look, we can get up to 900 pips on that trade. So if price comes and closes below here, we sell. If price closes above here, we buy. If price gets to this point and gives a bearish confirmation, we can sell to go down. If price pushes all the way down here and gives a bullish confirmation from here, we buy to go long. However, if it pushes down and breaks below this point and closes, then we have another beautiful range to go down. That will be all for gold for today. I wish you guys a beautiful trading. I hope you smash the market and get some good pips today. God bless you. Peace out.